What is up, guys? It is your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, this is the first time I'm going to show my face on YouTube. Just got a haircut. Well, pretty fucking good. So just wanted to show it off. No, I'm kidding. I'm trying something out new. Maybe you'll trust me a little more that you see my face and know that I said buy the fucking dip Monday open because you would have made a ton of money on SPY, on anything. If you're in the Wolves Wealth community, we did. All right, sold the open, bought the dip, and we went up there. So comment below. I'm curious. Comment below if you want me to keep this whole beautiful thing right here up on camera, or you're saying 86 the motherfucker and get out of here. We just want the goddamn charts and the info. You let me know. Comment below. Say keep it or 86 it. Okay, and you won't hurt my feelings. But you better be fucking nice. All right. No, kidding, guys. Look, on to the charts here. What do we expect for tomorrow? Obviously, CPI print comes in tomorrow. We don't give a fuck what it comes out at. We just care what? The reaction. I could give a fuck what the print is. Stop fucking trying to guess the print. Stop trying to. It doesn't fucking matter what it is. It matters how the market reacts to it. Okay, that's all that matters. So, with that being said, tomorrow, the play is still this. Okay, everybody sees it because I think we'll get a 8 to 10 point move one way, more than likely. If we close to 398 today, if we go 8 points down, I'm long at 390. I don't give a fuck. Long 390. Same plan as the Sunday sermon. And if we go up 8 points, I'm looking to short anywhere from 405 to 408. It just depends how high we get. 408 would be a great short, and it would also be about this down trend line as well. Let me see if I can zoom out just a tad. This looked like a little much. Now, what level is the head and shoulders would play out on? Let me go to the 4 hour. It might be a little bit easier to read. And it is. So, see this? Shoulder, head. Now, shoulder, and the other shoulder would be right here, basically at this high. That's not what I wanted to do. Sorry about that, y'all. This guy right here, 403.50. So 403.50 would be the completion of the right shoulder. Now, don't forget, Fed meeting FOMC on Wednesday, 2 p.m. Fed pal Daddy P talks at 2:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So with that being said, you want to look to 403, 405 above there, 408 above that. Okie dokie. Does everybody see that? And if we do get some downside, you want a long 390. Okay, let me get ahead putting some examples on from our masterclass. Let's get out of here. But we did see some bullish divergence late last week, which is why we took calls and we did not try to play puts at support. Okay, anyway. So tomorrow is simple. You got to wake up early. You got to chart your levels. You put today's high, you put today's low, you put last week's high, and you put last week's low on your chart. You look to have a huge level at 390 and a huge level at 408, and you say, which one are you coming to first? I'm going to long 390. I'm going to short 408, depending where we get. Now, we might not get to either of those levels. So that's why we're reactors. We're not predictors. We're not predicting what CPI is coming out. We're not predicting where the market's going. We're going to react. Because what if we only get down to 393, but we see a reversal candle, then we take calls at 393. Okie dokie. If we don't get a reversal candle at 390, do we take calls? No, you don't just blind. You have to know the setup is there. Okay, but at 390, I'll be looking at calls. And anywhere from 403 to 408, I know that's a huge range, but just be a reactor there. You'll likely want to take a short. If we get all the way to 410, 100%, you take a short there. You take a short there. Now, why am I more confident in not playing a break? Because if we know we have FOMC coming out the next day, it is more than likely the market does not break out of a huge range into such a huge catalyst. The market is decided tomorrow by Powell on what happens. Are they going to raise rates a ton? Are they not? Are they going to raise them a little bit less? Are they going to cut them? I don't know. He kind of hinted at it's going to be a smaller hike. Whatever that means. It's not a pivot, just a less of a hike. Meaning they've been doing 0.75 to 1 whole point. Now they could do 0.5 or 0.25. I think a lot of what they do will be dependent on tomorrow's number. If the CPI, core CPIs come down a ton, then they could easily not have to raise them as much. But if it comes in at a hot print, he's going to have to raise it. They're in a rock and a hard place. If he doesn't act on it, the American people are fucked by inflation. If he cuts rates too soon and inflation goes out of control, then he's fucked again. Okay. But it really doesn't matter what the print comes in at. It's how you react. It's how the market reacts to the levels. So look, above 400, 403, 405, 408, 410. Simple. Below 400, 390, 596, 393, 390. If we get froggy under 390, you're going to look at 385. There's a gap down off the last CPI. Let me go to the daily chart so you can see it from the last CPI print. Let me just bring this on down. And we all see it right here. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. This is where we closed on the last CPI print. You guys all see it, 374. And then we gapped up to 390. Okay, so if we sold off into the last CPI and then we ripped up on it, but they bought this CPI up, do we fall? I don't know. Interesting, something to take a look at. Okay, but below 390, you see 385, 380. Under 390 is a warning shot. Under 380. Pack it up, bulls, bears are going to take your ass probably to new lows below 374, 370, 363, then 348. Okie dokie. Above, if for some reason, above 400, 403, like we said, 405, 408, 410, 420, blaze it. Okay, my friends, that's it. Wake up early. Don't do anything fucking stupid. And I'll see you bright and early. Peace.